Hey everyone. Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to be making this announcement video. That's right, many of you behind the scenes have been messaging us wondering, are we doing Blinging in the New Year 2025? And the answer is yes! So, Tina, aka Teemaw, Tia Crazy's Craft Addictions, and myself, DP Addiction Adventures, are at it again this crazy January. We are doing Blinging in the New Year, January 1st through January 31st. That's right. You might be wondering, what is Blinging in the New Year? Well, several years ago, we decided that we wanted to explore the world of how to bling our paintings up, how to add special pizzazz to our already beautiful canvases. And so we got together with Teemaw's expertise and we decided to go, how are we going to add a little crystal here, a little sparkle there? What about an AB? What about a pearl? Do we go big? Do we go small? Do we go round? Do we go square? What do we do? Do we add bars? Do we add, um, what's, do we highlight? Do we low light? How do we make a 3D effect? How do we add movement? How do we do what we do? And people would ask us. And so over the years, we now have DP with Sparklers doing enhancements. We have other companies coming out with amazing products. And so we continue to start the new year out in January with Blinging in the New Year. And we are thrilled to introduce a new canvas sponsor, Munimade. Yes, she is coming on board, and we are going to be releasing and doing an unboxing in the next couple hours. Yes, Monday at noon Eastern. The three of us are going to launch our unboxings and show you what the canvas choice is that we are all going to be blinging out in January. So please, please, please listen up. This is what January is going to hold for you. Number one, it does not have to be a new start. Okay, so if you have something you're already working on, if you have something in your stash you want to pull out, if you have something that you have been dying to add bling to, and you want to ask some questions, and you want to orders over Christmas because you got a gift card or some extra money, yes, this is the time to pull it out. Number two, it does not have to be a Munimade. Okay, we would love for you to join us with this particular canvas. She's bought several, so you can go buy it. She's going to be giving us a percentage off of her store. We would absolutely love for you to join along. Teemaw has done an enhancement set that we're all going to be using as well. However, it does not have to be this canvas. It can be any canvas from any company. It does not have to be licensed. However, we would prefer it be licensed because we do want to honor the artist. Okay, so number one, it can be any canvas from any company, just not a partial. Number two, it does not have to be a new start. Number three, I said no partial, but it has to at least have a 30 by 40 space left on it because we do want you to be diamond painting some. We are not going to be having you taking a before picture or an after picture. We're just going to go on the honor system. We are going to have some sponsors and some giveaways, but this is more about questions and community. We are going to have the availability if people want to come on and ask live questions. They'll be able to come actually onto the stream. They can come on via audio. They don't have to actually come on video if they don't want to, or they can come on via video and show us their canvas, ask us questions, different things like that. This is a real um, time to ask tutorial questions that we can share with everybody. So this is a fun, interactive month. There are going to be some sponsorships, some giveaways, but that's what Blinging in the New Year is all about, is more about asking, how do I bling out my canvas? How do I do different things like that? Um, Also, I'm really excited. I've never had a Munimade tray before, and so I'm so excited. I purchased one of those that is in my unboxing, so I can't wait to unbox my canvas and see that tray and get to use it. And so that's another thing. Please, if you want, you can use the code that we are going to be given to maybe try out the tray yourself and see what you think. And we are just going to have a whole bunch of fun. The last criteria for this event in order to get the grand prize of the event is adding 2 or more specials or change out 2 or more things in your canvas that didn't already come with the canvas. So if your company that you purchased already included specials, that does not count, okay? Because the company already has that in and charted for you. This is about stepping outside your comfort zone and making a change. Now, this does not mean you have to buy extra things. We're talking about just changing the canvas. So if your flowers are purple and you want to change them to pink, you might have some leftover pink from a previous canvas and you can switch that out. So you're not having to spend extra money. So don't freak out and say, "Well, I don't have extra money," or I don't have the funds," because this is something that you can switch out. Or even in the canvas itself, you could switch something. Um, we're going to be talking about skin tones, and changing out skin tones or adding different types of makeup. So if you're if you're somebody who doesn't like really pink cheeks and want peach instead, or somebody who wants, instead of pink eyeshadow, you want aqua eyeshadow, different things of that nature. So it doesn't have to be all about specials. It can just be switching color palettes, switching hair color. You know, I've seen people switch out hair, instead of brown, go blonde, instead of blonde, go red, those different things. So we're going to talk about different tones and how to switch and change things. Um, so let's go over the criteria again. It has to be at least a 30 by 40 space left on a canvas. It can be any company, any canvas, square, round, just can't be a partial. Um, it needs to have at least 2 changes. So 2 specials, 2 color changes, something of that nature. So just letting you know, the start date will be January 1st. We will go through January 31st. Tia goes live Wednesday nights around 10:05 Eastern. I myself go live Friday nights around 9 o'clock Eastern. And Teemaw goes live 10 o'clock right after me Eastern. And we will also have those posted as well. So if you have any questions, let us know down below in the comments, or feel free to shoot us a message. We all have Facebook groups. Team and I will have the links down below. Teemaw has a Facebook group. It's Teemaw with DP with Sparklers. Or no, it's DP with Sparklers. There's Pen, I believe it's Pen Pals, and I'll have the links down below in case I'm wrong. And then I have mine, Creative Craft Addictions. Craft is with a K. So I'll have the links down below in the description to our 3 Facebook groups and our 3 YouTube channels with the time frames that we normally go live. So I am super excited. I cannot wait to see you. I will also have the link over to Munimade's website. And then all 3 of us are going to be doing our unboxings scheduled tomorrow, which is Monday, November 25th. 2024, and be looking for the code in the video if you want to purchase your canvas or want to purchase a tray. So until next time, be blessed, take care, bye-bye.